Hey guys, this is Mr. Muscovali again, and I'm redoing a video. I did one that was called 999 Dice Auto Console Script about an hour ago, and I replayed it, and the audio is picking up a lot of background noise, I guess you could say. It's kind of spooky, but anyway, I'll leave it on there if you want to see it. So I'm going to make this one, hopefully this audio is recording better. Maybe it's from my connection smart audio microphone instead of the default. So this is about something called a console script. You can look at my YouTube videos here, and you can do that by searching for C. Chadwicka, pressing enter, and then clicking on search instead for C. Chadwicka, and those are my videos. This is a Microsoft Internet Relay Chat 7.27, 3.3. If you're a fan of older software, I like to keep older software and works compared to newer software, a lot better. This is a good freaking video to see. So anyway, there's my videos and stuff. Welcome to them. So this is 999 Dice. You can reach it by going to 999dice.com. And I have some scripts, and the scripts are a auto bet. And here it is. So I call it 999 Dice Auto Console Script. And I use it for Doge. I used it for Doge the last 3 days. I started out with 500 Doge, put on a 0.01 and ran it. I have about 8,000 Doge now. And so this is set up as a Garmin bet. This is the only thing you really need to change. If, for instance, you were betting with something that's a little smaller number to right of the decimal, like 300 LTC XMR or what have you. So to be advised, you can set it for 10 Satoshi. As it says here, with 90,000 Satoshi set milliseconds to 100 and bet 12 Satoshi, I've made up to 750,000 Satoshi doing that. So then you right click on the TXT file in Notepad, press select all, copy, and you want to go to your developer tools in your browser, which are buried by depending on which Mozilla browser you're using this time. And this is the console script. There's also an Elements, the sources of network performance with the console script. Go ahead and paste that in there. Check your set interval. That is the amount of time, milliseconds, it takes between bets. That's a pretty quick bet. I've done it all the way down to 100, so you get your cursor down at the end and press enter. And it's going to say insufficient funds, so I don't have any. Just to LTC and see what it does. 379 Litecoins, Satoshis. Let's see if your thing freezes up or whatever. That's kind of, you can stop the script by using the reload function. You'll have to paste that in there again and set to Litecoin. So the LTC, okay. Let's see what it says here. Since this program only bets like an 80 or 90% chance, the low balance like 3 to 2 and it's only set to 10 Satoshi, it's going to say there's no way for you to pop this bet because it's a little small bet. So hopefully you can start out with more than 300 things or whatever, and I'll go ahead and put fun of it. And I'll probably bust on this setting, but usually I typically try to go at least 5 places over. So if I had 1,000, say, if I had 1,000 Doge, then I could set at 0.1 or maybe 0.05 even. At least 5 places over, so that's, we're just getting lucky there with that LTC, but usually you do start out with more than 300 or so LTC. So that's one of my programs for 999 dice. Now I started out with the faucet, made up to 90,000, 100,000 Satoshi. Right now I have 8,000 Doge. I started out with 500 Doge. The chat function down here, you can find me, you'll say see chat with it. A bunch of good guys here and stuff. And you select type /balance for your balance. That's spell it right. Out there. So, and the contact form, the guy's name is Jake. He's a pretty good guy. Right now I'm running this DiceBot from Sajunti DiceBot. And if you go to, say, I guess we'll search for Bing and type in DiceBot, it'll come up with this result right there. Sajunti's bot. Click on that and go ahead and download it. DiceBot 3.3.18. Also, there's a lot of scripts here, and you can go ahead and try these out. I have two good ones that I use, and I'll show them to you. They are available for download on another video of mine, and this is the DiceBot program. If I was betting and starting with 1,000 Doge at 0.01, I'd want to change the profit target to, say, 2,000, I guess. And then I'm going to change the base to 1. And that should be it and stuff. And this one here with the DiceBot, you just when you open the DiceBot, you sign in with 99 Dice, the preferred currency over here, which would be my username, password, and two-factor code. In settings, you want to go to Programmer, go to Open over here, and then go something like that. Load one of those scripts. Go to the console and type Start. Parentheses. So that's all I have for you today. I started out today with, I think, 850 Doge and like a 1,312 Doge in about 2.5 to 3 hours. It just bets on its own. Maybe 10% or 5% of the time it might bust. But if it does, I would recommend going to the other version of, instead of using DiceBot, use the 999dice.com console script I showed you. It'll bust on that after a few days. Go ahead and go back to your DiceBot. And my favorite scripts are that one, and there's another one I have. And it's on the Sajunti's site, and that's it, Spiritual 3. And it's a pretty good freaking one with about 10,000 Satoshi. You should be able to run it in about 24 hours on one Satoshi bet. It's a pretty good one. That's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and watch my creepy videos with the demonic sounding narration there. I'm not sure how it happened, but don't blame me. And I'll keep them on there in case you supernatural freaks want to check it out. So I'll talk to you later, you guys. Have a good day. Thank you. Be sure and post and comment.